In a world of wonder, where the wild things play, get ready for the most epic adventure.
These brown bears are the kings of the wild, with strength, agility, and a will to survive. But even the toughest kings have their soft spots. Meet the naughty cubs, who bring joy and laughter to the wild.
Get ready to be amazed by the brown bears in all their glory.
And in this vast, untouched wilderness, where freedom reigns supreme, the story of nature continues. In the heart of Siberia, where the great forests guard the frozen lake of Baikal, a quiet world begins to stir.
Where the snow-capped mountains meet the endless skies,
lies the majestic Baikal Forest, a land of ancient secrets, where the whispers of the wind tell tales of a world untouched. This is the domain of the brown bear, a creature of raw power and gentle soul. They hibernate for months, their hearts beating slower, their bodies conserving energy.
but when they emerge, they're hungry.
And the forest is their buffet. These bears are the masters of survival. But it's not just about survival. It's about living.
Brown bears are excellent swimmers, gliding effortlessly through the water.
And when they run, their powerful legs devour the distance. A testament to their strength and agility. Beneath the snow, hidden from the cold winds, a mother bear awakens to a miracle. The birth of her cubs. They are blind, fragile, and utterly dependent. Each heartbeat a fragile promise of survival. But in this harsh and beautiful world, life finds a way to thrive. Months later, warmth returns to Baikal. The snow melts, and new life steps into the light. Each step is a victory. The cubs taste freedom, the scent of pine, the hum of bees, the whisper of the wind. They wrestle, roll, and explore, their laughter echoing through the woods like a promise of joy. But in this forest, Every shadow hides a threat, and a mother's vigilance never sleeps. A giant roams nearby, an older male drawn by instinct. For him, young cubs are rivals, or prey. She stands her ground, every roar a warning. Her courage, the only wall between life and death. The cubs climb for safety, tiny claws gripping bark as the forest falls silent once more. Days turn into weeks. Guided by the rhythm of the earth, they follow the scent of water flowing toward the river. The river, a feast of life. Here, she will teach her cubs the art of patience and the strike. With every leap, they learn. With every failure, they grow. And soon, success. Summer fades. Their coats thicken, muscles strengthen. The cubs of Baikal, now ready to face the world. Soon, they will part ways, each to their own destiny. But they will always carry her strength within. In the heart of Siberia, under the eternal pines, life continues.
Fierce, fragile, and endlessly beautiful.
This film was created using AI-assisted visuals and narration. No animals were disturbed. Subscribe for more wildlife journeys.